Hey, how's it going, ladies and gentlemen? This is Brian Farrell. I'm making a quick video here just to give you a quick little rundown of how to use my passive trades. Great program here that actually allows you to earn income 1% per day on the amount that you have deposited into your account. And then the company actually does Forex trading for us on the Forex market professionally. And then we actually earn money from their earnings from their profits they get from doing the forex trading. So essentially, when you come into my passive trades, this is what you're going to be doing each day. Once you make a deposit into the account, you're simply going to come over here to Platinum Ad Packs, and you're going to buy Platinum Ad Packs. Now, these Platinum Ad Packs, they are going to be purchased at $5 per ad pack. The company does work with Bitcoin only, so it's Bitcoin in, Bitcoin out. So when you have money deposited into the account here, you'll actually see that it shows that your wallet summary will show how much you've actually deposited into your account, or how much you have available to spend, or how much you have available to withdraw. This is going to be our main focus point right here. Right now, I just have $3.60. I've been using the program before, and I've purchased $135 worth of Platinum Ad Packs, and that was done over time. And that was buying a $5 ad pack here, $10 ad pack there. But in accumulation now, I'm actually getting the earnings 1% per day off of a total of $135 worth of ad packs. And so here's how it works. So once you have deposited money into the account, the money starts working for you automatically. And then when you come up here to Platinum Ad Packs, you're then going to select My Platinum Ad Packs to see your earnings that you've received from the Platinum Ad Packs you purchased previously, and they're all listed here as you earn them. So each one of these is a Platinum Ad Pack that's earning me 1% per day. So my deposit amounts are right here, and I'm earning 1% of those deposit amounts, which shows me what my balance is each day, or shows me how much I'm actually earning towards each pack. So this has been sitting here and been earning each day, and right now I have these balances that I can actually use to either buy more ad packs or withdraw this money out to my own external personal wallet. So each day, all you need to do is just come in here and look at your balance and see, that you have earnings here, and you can then transfer those to your wallet. You can transfer them individually right here, and this is transferred to the internal wallet of My Passive Trades on the program, or you can just click transfer all to wallet. So what I do every day is I just come into Platinum Ad Packs on the left. I click on My Platinum Ad Packs, brings us to the screen we're looking at now, where I have all my current earnings, and then click Transfer All to Wallet right there. It's going to give you a warning telling you yes, telling you just getting ready to withdraw this money, and you're actually just sending it to your internal My Passive Trades wallet. So I'm going to say yes, that's okay, I do want to withdraw it, and it says your qualified accruals have been transferred to your wallet. So now when you come back to the account overview, you'll see now that the total balance has increased here to $4.76. So if I had $5 here, I could buy another ad pack. But I can withdraw money to my own outside external wallet if I have at least $10 right here. I can't do that right now because I only have $4.76. But if you have transferred your earnings to your wallet summary here, and you see that you have $10, you can then decide if you want to actually withdraw those funds. So to withdraw those funds, you're just going to go up here to My Wallet. You're going to select Withdraw Funds, and then you're going to choose from the balance, and you're going to choose it from which balance you're choosing. Now, I'm in the United States, so we only use Bitcoin. Perfect Money is not available here in the US, so I would be selecting Bitcoin. And this is the where I'm going to pull my balance from to actually withdraw funds. I only have $4.76, so it's not going to actually work. But if I did have $10 there, then I would put in I'm going to withdraw $10, and it tells you there's going to be a one-time fee when you do that, and the fee is 1%. So it tells you it's going to, a $10 withdrawal, it's going to be a fee of 10 cents, and then I would just then select my wallet to add it to. I'll click on add right here. If you haven't put in a wallet, you'll tell it which you'll add your wallet here, and new account, and you can basically put in your wallet address there. So I'll put in my wallet address, and then you're going to put in your secret code to actually withdraw. I'm not going to do that right now because I'm not prepared to withdraw, but that's what you would do if you're ready to withdraw. And so once you have your wallet saved, and once you have your link or your wallet address of your own external wallet saved in the system here, then in my wallet you can actually withdraw money to that external wallet. And again, you would just click on the Bitcoin balance. You're going to tell it how much you're going to withdraw, and you're going to tell it which account to withdraw it to. And from right here, it'll actually select the actual wallet you're going to withdraw to, and then you're going to put in your secret code. And then that will go ahead and authorize the withdrawal of those funds. The funds reach your account the same day. It's a pretty quick process. They're always reliable. They're always paying out. It's a great company. My Passive Trades have been working for, I've been using them for, I think, almost a year now. Not want to say most, maybe 10 months. But it's a great company, great program, and when you do buy the ad packs, you're actually buying the ability to promote other companies with advertising right here on the website. So you can use advertise websites, you can advertise through the login ads here. You're basically you're buying the ability to advertise other opportunities right here on My Passive Trades. So that's a quick breakdown on My Passive Trades, how to use it, how to withdraw money. It's a great program. If you haven't joined already, below this video will be a link for my sign-in code, and you can join me on my team. I'll help you get started, help you along the way. Again, this is Brian Farrell, and I'm always here to help you make money passively online, where you don't have to recruit anybody, you don't have to buy anything, you don't have to sell anything. You're not, no monthly auto ships. You're just basically doing the work yourself. And even if you don't do any work, this continues to earn. You can simply just buy your ad packs here. You don't have to actually promote any other websites to earn, because the company's going to take your money that you spent on buying the advertising packs, and they're going to spend that on trading on the Forex market professionally, and then they'll kick back to us a 1% return on the amount that we have actually spent towards that advertising each and every day, and that's 7 days a week. So that's 1% per day, that's 7% per week. So once again, this is Brian Farrell telling you about My Passive Trades. Check it out. If you have any questions, hit me up on Facebook or comment below this video, and let's rock and roll with My Passive Trades.